There are a lot of tree branches and debris that have to be cleared, and last night winds gusted through the area with the force of a tropical storm. Some areas recorded gusts of 60 miles per hour. Bob Allen is live now with some of the most pressing damage. Bob?
Well, Stacy, it wasn't just trees that felt the wrath of those extremely high winds. Those winds continued this morning, and they showed no mercy on anything that wasn't nailed down or secured. Residents had to use the basement door to get inside their apartment building in the 2300 block of Wilson Street on the north side. Hundreds of bricks broke loose from the facade and tumbled down to the street below. The city is not ready to blame high winds.
At this point, we don't have any indication that this was related to wind.
Fortunately, no one was hurt, and the building is still considered structurally sound. One vehicle was hit by falling bricks, and the street is blocked. Treacherous winds did take a toll on anything that wasn't nailed down. We found this trampoline on a hillside overlooking Route 8, apparently missing from someone's backyard. Sarah Haddad says strong winds destroyed her trampoline last night in Ross Township.
Oh, it was insane. We have a little trampoline in our backyard, and it just got wrecked. Like the metal bars actually bent, and people's rooftop pieces were flying into our yard.
Meanwhile, dozens of evergreen trees were easy targets for winds up to 60 miles an hour last night. This house on Gibsonia Road had at least 6 downed trees, 2 of them on vehicles in the driveway. Robert Terry was at home when the tree in his backyard crashed into his house on Shaler Road.
Terrifying. It came down. You heard this incredible crash. It shook. I didn't know what happened. I come running out front. Everything was fine out front. I ran around back, and the trees through the window.
Now, I checked with several tree service companies, and believe me, they are extremely busy. In fact, the gentleman I just interviewed said that he was told he would not be able to get help until Saturday. Reporting live, Bob Allen, KDKA News.